The weight sensing system in the C-Class ensures that the passenger is optimally protected by the airbag. In order to remove the sensor mat of the weight sensing system, first disconnect the plug of the heater. And also of the footwell lighting. Then unclip the cover at the retainer. Remove the seat cushion and you now have access to the sensor mat. And this is how you unclip it. On the underside, undo the plug of the sensor. Remove the fixing screw. Then you can remove the sensor mat. When installing, make sure that the sensor mat cable is laid exactly as shown, otherwise the weight sensing system will not work. Clip in the sensor mat. And screw the sensor firmly in place. Connect the plug of the sensor. The rest of the installation takes place in the reverse order. Star Diagnosis guides you through the teaching process. After a quick test, click on Weight Sensing System. Click on Adaptations for the commissioning with a manual setting of the new control unit. Star Diagnosis guides you through the steps of coding and teaching in the Weight Sensing System control unit. Before doing the zero adjustment, make sure that there is nothing on or under the passenger seat and that the ignition is switched on. Also bring the passenger seat into approximately the center position. Check that the indicator light for the front passenger airbag is working. If the light is lit, confirm with yes. For the teaching process of the control unit, you need a test case. Set the distance to 70 millimeters. Then bring the tube for the weights onto the base support. Note that the base support weighs 5 kilograms. For the first step, put an additional 10 kilograms on the base support, so there's a total of 15 kilograms on the seat. The bullseye level must be level throughout the test. Confirm the work carried out and check again that the indicator passenger airbag off is lit. Now place an additional 8 kilograms onto the passenger seat. Wait about 15 seconds. The light should change to passenger airbag on. Now remove all the weights from the passenger seat. Wait another 15 seconds. The warning light should switch back to passenger airbag off. The teaching process is complete.